All right, we are at ProX. Yeah, that is Morrow sitting over there. But here's Raul.
How's it going, everyone?
What do you got for us this year?
This is the Z case for the Midas. It's our exclusive case.
The Z case. Is that what you just said? Z case?
Yes, the Z case for the Midas console.
All right.
We got 2 compartments for any stuff you want to put in, any extra pads, pencils, tape. Go like that.
Oh, wow, look at that, guys.
Goes right in. Close. Ready to roll. And to open, barely 1 finger.
Oh, man, that's beautiful. Of course, it's for sound, guys.
Car's definitely for sound, guys. It's in stock, ready to ship. Map is $16.99.
That is so cool. And of course, there's a lid on the top. Oh no, that flips down there, and then there's the other section right there.
Yeah, so got the full doghouse.
Oh wow, that's so cool. What a good idea. What a good idea. But you got something specifically for DJs too.
Yes, this is our new Mesa Media facade. Basically your DJ booth with a TV mount.
I gotta step back because
Yep, go ahead.
I gotta see this thing. Look at this. Well, here. We'll get it from an angle over here. That'd probably be better. Now, I've seen this video on YouTube. It's doing gangbusters. People really like it.
Yes.
But on the screen, you can kind of see what it looks like.
You have 2 shelves, down shelf 52 inches long. You can literally put 2 turntables, mixer, controller.
Right.
It does fit with your laptop. If you have a slightly laptop shelf for your controller,
Yeah.
it will fit. There'll be no issues. You can't fit that. Comes with 4 screens, 2 black, 2 white, 2 zippered, 2 non-zippered. So if you don't want to use the TV, you can take it off.
Right.
And use the other one. This is perfect. A great upsell for all DJs. You can show the monogram, video slideshows,
yeah.
all that for all your corporate gigs.
And the TV just clicks on.
Yep. With our ProX mount base.
Yeah, kind of in there somewhere. Hard to see, but you can in
And a
there.
ventilated top shelf for your laptop.
Which is nice. They get a little warm sometimes with hard drives in them. Cables go up there, and then you have this shelf here. And you were telling me the shelf was adjustable.
Yes, the shelf is touchable. We have 2 levels right here, or right here if you're a taller DJ,
That's cool.
taller person, you can put it up here.
Nice.
And everything fits in that folding bag right there.
And little headphone holder there. That's different. That's a different thing, but it's kind of cool.
That's included. That's another accessory that we have here
Nice.
that everyone's been asking for, somewhere to place your headphones on.
So if a guy had 2 hands, how quickly could he set this table up?
Easily within 5 to 7 minutes.
5 to 7 minutes.
And this is in stock, ready to ship. Map is $429.
$429. Is there anything else we should feast our eyes on before we
right
go?
behind you.
Oh, there's one more thing.
Here's our new Z Table Junior.
Oh, wow.
For controllers. Everybody has been asking for one. So just like it's Big Brother, the Z Table. Same concept, pulls down to a case. Also has your ports to run all your cables through. Runs through.
Let's see what we got here. The Z. So you got your DJ table all wrapped up into one case. Rolls in, takes some covers off, and there you go. And you got a lot of storage in there too.
Yep, you got storage in there. There's a shelf behind there so you can put your bag, any
Nice.
cable bag, run down anything that you want to do, lighting.
Right. Well, you guys always have good ideas over here. It's a nice looking piece. I gotta back up here. See that? That's all a ProX. This year, NAMM 2020. Anything else we gotta see? Or do we see the big stuff?
Oh, that's pretty much the big stuff.
That's the big stuff. Right on. Well, thank you for showing it to us. ProX, NAMM 2020. We'll see you next year.